Here I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, languages, add a language. Here I have the whole list of the available display languages. Let's pick, for example, Ukrainian, and then to set Ukrainian as the system language, just drag it on the first place and language will be changed automatically. So if you want to change it back to English, go to the налаштування, then Система, Мова та ведення, Мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.